Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome if we're new. We're doing a house tour today of our new house.
Heyo.
So we're gonna show you guys the house and everything about it, and I guess we'll show the kids are downstairs playing, so we'll show you guys that a little bit later.
Let's go right down right away. So there's like once you come in, there's like a upstairs and a downstairs. So we're gonna go down first.
Down first, okay.
And why don't you
Following
stop?
you.
It's kind of a converted garage game room. So.
Hey guys. Are you playing ping pong?
Yes, this is the room.
So fun. So there's a ping pong table in here, and there's a foosball table. And what is that thing?
Arcades like Pac-Man and stuff.
That's super cool.
So it looks like Grayson's playing first, and then Gretchen's gonna give it a go. I think we're probably gonna get a foosball tournament going on. It's pretty sweet, and then some ping pong. If you didn't know, Gabrielle is a master ping pong artist. And we'll have some billiards, right, Gemma? It's gonna be good at billiards for sure. And let's check out the rest of the bottom floor. So here's the rest of the bottom floor.
So this is like a little living room down here.
Yeah.
I think it pulls out into a bed, so that's pretty cool. And then this is the access to the backyard. So it's kind of like the upstairs living room stuff is upstairs, and like bedrooms are downstairs, and then you have to come down here to get outside. Do you want to go outside quick?
Sure, let's take a look.
Oh.
So here's the backyard. You have a little porch, have a little spa, and that's a sauna. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. It's freezing cold. Obviously there's snow in the backyard. So yeah, we're really excited to use that stuff tonight.
So off the hallway down here, there is one bathroom that is shared with these two bedrooms. So you want to show them the bathroom real quick, and then we'll go into the bedroom?
Sure. There's a little shower, cool little double mirror, or double sink-a-majig, and toilet, and you know, kind of what you expect to find.
Look at this sweater I'm wearing
in a
today. It's
bathroom.
like super long.
You look
I'm
nice.
feeling like pregnant this week, guys. Kind of bloated.
Oh, you are.
Kind of like, I don't look pregnant really, just like I had a big meal. But I feel it. I feel it.
Feeling it on the inside. So let's see. Oh, tiny little mirror.
So this is one of the bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Super cute. Has bunk beds, and I think this is a queen bed.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
So that's fun. And then the other room has, I think, another queen and a twin.
Yeah, so this is kind of this is like the, I don't know, if is this a master or not really?
This isn't the
second master?
This is
I don't
the
know.
second, This is like a second master.
Yeah, so a lot of sleeping room. A lot of room for people to sleep. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. And also, if you want to check out our Instagram, Melissa's doing, or we're doing, but Melissa's doing like 20 days of giveaways on her Instagram. And it's been really fun. And there's a lot of opportunity to win some like really cool prizes. So definitely go check out Melissa's Instagram. Here's the thingamajigger right here. I'm really hoping that we can get in some good rest and relaxation on this trip. We've kind of been burned out a little bit lately, I think, kind of having the routine of like being homeschooled and everybody's in the home, and now there's like the game room and like some different fun things. So I'm hoping the kids can really take advantage of this, and Melissa can take advantage of it and really relax. So Melissa's been doing pretty well with the babies, a little bit lethargic, I'd say. You know, I think that's
the nausea has been
tough.
So great. But I mean, overall, like, it could definitely be worse. It's definitely not the worst pregnancy nausea I've had. I am just really tired all the time, and that like out of breath feeling that you don't normally get until you're further along. I have already. So like I haven't even done, I literally like walked up one flight of stairs and I feel like I ran a marathon. So that's pregnancy life for you. This is the living room and kitchen of the house, and there's even a little Christmas tree. Because,
yeah, that's cool.
Christmas is coming up soon.
A jukebox.
So we've got, jukebox, right? Jukebox.
Yeah.
A living room, TV, a big dining room area, and a good sized kitchen with a double oven, which is amazing. Jeff's not feeling great either. He's still recovering from his surgery that he had, what, like a month ago now? 6 weeks ago?
Yeah, I'm all right, but it's, yeah.
Yeah, so he's sitting down to take a little rest. I think some of the kids are coming up. I heard them close the door from the game room. So off the living room, there's like another little deck with a big table and a barbecue, which is really cool. So we're definitely planning on using that probably later today. And there's a bunch of games and movies and a TV and stuff in here, so I think it's good. You're tired, huh? Hey, what are you doing, kiddo?
Seeing what the house looks like.
Exploring it. Do you like it so far?
Yep.
What do you think? It's good?
Yep.
Do you like your room?
Yes.
New room. That's cool. High five. So upstairs there are actually 2 more bedrooms, and I'm walking into one of them right now. I'll turn the camera around. There is a full-size bed up here, little closet, another TV, which is cool, a dresser. And then across from that is the bathroom. And this bathroom also doubles as a laundry room, which is kind of cool. So all the bathrooms in this house are pretty big, which is really neat. All right, and this is our new room. Ta-da! I love the vaulted ceilings. It has a great view.
Lots of room for activities.
Lots of room for activities. A nice big bed. King size bed, I think. It looks like a king size bed. We got a little sofa, a TV, a chair.
Got like a closet and a bathroom maybe?
Yeah, so that is the bathroom.
Oh, this is so big.
The closet's really big. We'll show it in a minute. So this is the master bath. Ooh, I like that tub.
Yeah.
That's cool. Big shower, bigger than our shower at home.
Okay.
And what are you gonna show us? Are you gonna Vanna White the closet for us?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I can't.
This is a fab. Is this what's this about? Like a little little dog bed?
I'm not even as big as this closet.
This closet is very big. Super cool.
There's shelves there. There's shelves there. There's shelves
Oh yeah, that's like a shoe shelf. We'll need that for all of our shoes we brought.
Yes.
So we're really excited because this is our house for the next how long week?
Yeah.
We rented this house. It's fully furnished, obviously, as you guys could tell from kind of showing you around. And we rented the house for our family and Jeff's parents and his brother. We've all been quarantining, and we really thought it would be super fun to get out and just kind of rent a VRBO. So we're still staying like quarantined and like private, but the kids could get a change of scenery because they haven't been anywhere since
And they get
March.
to get in the snow, and if we could find like a hill or something.
Oh,
and
we
have
haven't
some
really
sleds.
talked about that. Where are we?
Oh, we're in South Lake Tahoe.
We're in South Lake Tahoe. It's about an hour and a half from where our other house is. And this is a place where we do like to come quite a bit. If you guys have watched our vlogs for a while, you know that we vlogged up here like a bunch. It's one of our favorite places. And yeah, there's snow. So the kids are stoked to get to play, do some sledding maybe. We brought some sleds.
And you saw there's plenty of games and activities and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, it's actually like even bigger and a lot nicer than the pictures made it look online for this rental. So I'm really excited. I think it's exactly perfect for our family. And the location's really good because it's right by like all the skiing and like shopping. Well, not
But a
that
lot of
we're
that's
going,
shut
but-
down. It's all shut down.
Yeah,
right
we're
now,
not planning on going anywhere. We're just planning on spending some time together here as a family, getting a change of scenery, enjoying the snow.
Yeah.
We did bring some gingerbread houses to have a gingerbread house
Yeah.
decorating contest with the whole family. That'll be really fun. What's the prize going to be for that?
You get to eat it.
So anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this quick little house tour. We are super excited to spend the week here with the family, and we'll have a couple of fun vlogs probably going up right after this video of our trip. We're probably not going to
Sure.
vlog every day, but we'll probably get a good day or two in
Probably
there.
showing a little gingerbread. Maybe we'll have a gingerbread video or something fun.
Oh, that would be so cute.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.